morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Hope everybody had a safe and nice holiday. CBOT was closed last night, so we're just kind of looking at some of the headlines to figure out how we're going to open this morning. The main thing, I guess, at this time of year is just where are we technically. Soybeans trading at $11.17 on the set. Range is probably $11 to $11.22. Last week we heard that China was a big buyer of Brazil soybeans, and the question is, will they come in and buy U.S. soybeans? We also see soybean oils rallied considerably, initially on concern about China-Indonesia trade war, but also the fact that India is starting to pick up imports, and we're seeing the rapeseed crop in Europe lower than average, and so the sun oil prices are higher with India buying sun oil. Rapeseed prices are higher. The thing that kind of is a drag is a little bit of the palm oil. Overnight was lower. So we might see soybean oil open up a little bit lower from maybe a overbought technical picture. In the corn market, we've been in a tight trading range. We can't rally because the farmer has so much grain to sell on rallies, and that the U.S. crop conditions right now for the next couple of weeks should be favorable for the corn crop. And we can't break because the funds are near record short corn, and it's oversold, and cash basis is strong with ethanol crushers looking to try to buy corn, and just kind of wondering what our corn export number is going to be with lower Brazil crop and lower Argentina crop and lower European corn crop. In the wheat market, again, we've seen a slide in prices, mostly triggered by lower Russia prices. Russia's crop may be a little better than what some people thought in worst case scenario, while the Western Europe crop, it may be smaller, and also there might be a quality issue, especially in France. We do look at Canada, Australia, and U.S. Wheat crops getting a little bit bigger than maybe what the USDA is saying. And so the wheat market could see maybe a little bit of a short covering going into the weekend, and just kind of see what kind of supply we have globally, especially out of Russia. We will be watching pretty closely the money flow. Outside markets are still trying to look at jobs data, trying to figure out what the Fed is going to do. The UK elections went to the Labour Party in a pretty big landslide, so we'll see how that impacts some of their social spending and any increase in tax revenues. And then we have this week the French elections, which the Conservatives are supposed to win. So a lot going on. We'll be watching pretty closely the next month or so, just what happens in the Democratic Party and who is going to be running as president.